Park Distance Control (PDC) supports you during parking and maneuvering. It uses ultrasonic sensors in the front and rear bumper to monitor your surroundings and alert you when obstacles are detected. The system switches on when pressing the Park Assistant button or when the reverse gear is engaged while the engine is running. The LED light will illuminate and the parking view will be displayed. Depending on your equipment, automatic PDC activation is available. Park Distance Control is activated when approaching a detected obstacle at or below walking speed. Automatic PDC activation can be activated or deactivated in the Parking and Maneuvering menu. When the parking view is active, go to Settings. Select Automatic PDC Activation and check the box to activate. Depending on your equipment, the emergency brake function of PDC activates if there is an imminent risk of a collision. This can be activated in the same Parking and Maneuvering menu as Auto PDC. Select Active PDC Emergency Intervention and check the box to activate. The settings are saved for the currently active driver profile. The function is available at speeds below walking speed and only when driving in reverse. Keep in mind that depressing the accelerator pedal interrupts the braking intervention. The PDC system does not relieve the driver of personal responsibility for correctly observing the traffic situation. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.